Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this device. First we need to press and hold the up/menu button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through it. Now scroll through the menu, find the system option and then press the start/stop to enter. In system, scroll down, select the time option and press the start/stop. Here, scroll down, find the option called set time, press the start/stop and make sure that you change it to manual. So select manual, press the start/stop, and once you change the set time to manual, you can scroll down, select time, press the start/stop, and now we can change the time on our watch. You can use the up and down buttons, or you can use the touchscreen if you want. Set the hour, then minutes, then PM and AM. And once you're done, press the start/stop and press it again to confirm. And as you can see, the time changed. And you can then press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.